Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your Axis Bank credit card. If you wish to cancel your Axis Bank credit card, first of all, go ahead and launch open a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in axisbank.com and search. Now, from the main home page, scroll all the way down and look for the Contact Us tab. Scroll further down and then make sure to find the customer care number displayed on the screen over here at the bottom. You can simply go ahead and call on the particular number and request them to close your credit card or cancel your credit card. But before proceeding, if your credit card offers reward, make sure to redeem them, clear any remaining balance on your card. If you are closing an unused card, you may not have pending dues. However, if there is an outstanding balance, make sure to repay it in full before initiating the closure process. Once you go ahead and make a call on the customer support number, the customer service representative will guide you through the termination of your credit card. So that is how you can easily initiate your credit card cancellation for Axis Bank. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.